Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Cherokee has your back on all your adventures. Its generous cargo capacity, safety technology, off-road capability, and passenger-friendly interior infuse each journey with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, power liftgate, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive. Hit the trail in comfort and refinement in the Cherokee. Test drive it today.